Welcome to our deep dive into DevOps, the modern software development approach that bridges the gap between development and operations teams to enhance collaboration, automation, and efficiency. DevOps is a software development methodology that emphasizes seamless collaboration between development and operations teams. It aims to accelerate software delivery while maintaining high reliability and quality. Let's explore the core principles that define DevOps. Now, DevOps fosters a culture of shared responsibility, breaking down silos to ensure smooth coordination and open communication. By automating repetitive tasks such as code integration, testing, and deployment, teams can reduce manual errors and accelerate software releases. Continuous integration ensures that code changes are frequently merged into a central repository, allowing for early bug detection and smoother integration. Continuous delivery automates the building, testing, and deployment process, making software updates more reliable and frequent. Gathering user feedback at every stage ensures that improvements are made continuously, aligning development with customer needs. With real-time tracking of applications and infrastructure, teams can proactively address potential issues before they escalate. The impact of DevOps is profound. Here are some major benefits. DevOps speeds up the software development lifecycle, enabling businesses to respond quickly to market demands. Through continuous integration and automated testing, software issues are caught early, ensuring high quality. Automation and infrastructure management practices enhance application reliability and availability. By streamlining processes and minimizing manual intervention, operational costs are significantly reduced. A culture of collaboration leads to better communication, shared knowledge, and ultimately, improved outcomes. DevOps relies on various tools to enhance efficiency. Some popular tools include tools like Git and SVN help track and manage code changes collaboratively. CI tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Circle CI streamline code integration and testing. Docker and Kubernetes help package and manage applications efficiently across different environments. Tools like Terraform and Ansible enable automated infrastructure provisioning and management. Monitoring tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and Dynatrace provide real-time insights into system performance. DevOps is revolutionizing software development, making it faster, more efficient, and reliable. Are you ready to embrace DevOps in your workflow? Subscribe for more insights on software development best practices.